He consumes the souls of children.
Sinister will leave you shaking. Sinister, rated R, now playing in theaters.
My life ends today. Shine my nights away from you. Change my life today. Light my life to one idea.
Careful, you're no longer invisible in a midsize sedan. The Volkswagen Passat, the 2012 Motor Trend Car of the Year. That's the power of German engineering.
Okay, I am sick of this thing.
Well, see, we have cable, and if you didn't record your shows while I'm recording my shows, we wouldn't have to deal with this.
I just feel like it's watching me walk around naked.
Well, there's somebody against you.
Upgrade to DirecTV and record 5 shows at once. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
See the movie that everyone's talking about. Looper is a mind-bending thriller. Stunning. Groundbreaking. It's the best action movie of the year. Looper, rated R.
Big things have small beginnings.
Where did it come from?
Paradise.
Tomorrow morning, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles meet up with our friend,
Do you like pizza?
Yeah, sure.
We have so much in common.
who secretly works for their biggest enemy.
I want them all wiped out.
That doesn't seem very fair.
And when the secret is out, the fight hits home. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles premieres tomorrow morning at 11.
Wow, did you know your teacher that computer?